If you searched how to buy shares of Woori Financial Group Inc., this quick guide will walk you through the steps. Woori Financial Group Inc. is a South Korean financial services firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WF, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker WF to locate Woori Financial Group Inc. Verify you select the NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you will find a brief company summary and a price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the name, NASDAQ market, and WF ticker so you are on the right page. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the video description if you want to explore the platform, and remember, this is not investment advice.